episode of Unique Cut. I'm your host, Christian. This episode, I'm just gonna be like talking to you guys some live, let you guys know like how everything's going. Just got this car. Got it mainly for you guys on YouTube, so you can interview other barbers. I can promote myself with it, all of that. I'm gonna show you guys a couple of like time lapses. I think I'm only gonna do one time lapse on this on my boy Raul, sorry. And yeah, just like let you guys know how it is and everything. I'm actually off today, so I won't be like showing you in depth of what I was doing today. But I'm still working even though I'm off. I'm still grinding. Yeah. I'm driving around now. I gotta get supplies. Like, yo, I just want you guys to know, like, just because you're barbering, that doesn't mean like that's all you need to do and that's all you can do. I've been doing my own like products now because I'm not trying to just always, like, don't get me wrong, I love cutting hair. I'm not trying to only cut hair though. I'm trying to like broaden this whole barbering thing. I'm making beard oils, I'm making beard butters, astringents, hair creams, bald head creams, all of that. So like, trying to get like as much as I can out of barber. Doing this YouTube thing, I'm not doing this to really like make money off of it. It's more like to broaden my network. So other people know who I am, like other barbers know who I am, get more customers in a chair. And then like I learned more stuff from other YouTubers, other barbers. Like that's what this is all about for me right now. Doing the interviews again helps me like step my skills up. So I guess like yeah, I gotta go get supplies for some more of my products. I'll show you a couple of those later in the video that I'm making so far. Well, I'm not gonna show you how I make them because but if you guys got any questions on how to make your own products, definitely hit me up. It's just I'm not gonna go into a step-by-step on how it's done. Of course, we got a funeral proceeding in front of us, so that's gonna take forever to turn the block. Yeah, we gotta go. We got a green light. Back to you guys again. Yeah, I'm gonna show you a couple of my products. I just moved, like I've been saying in a couple of my episodes, so like I got like a little studio. I'll show you my products in there after the haircut. So I guess see you guys in a little bit. Stay tuned. So I'm back. Again, there's gotta go pick up some supplies. Back to saying before though, don't limit yourself to just cutting hair. Like if you're new as a barber, focus on being a barber. Yes. But if like you've been in the game for a little bit and like I know we all got there, we go there. I know we all like been there. And it's like, oh man, this is my job, this is what I gotta do. And like, you get stagnant, like you get tired of doing it. So by like getting more in depth with barbering, re-energized. I'd love to have from the beginning. Like, really want to do like what they're doing again. Like, so like, try to like look at what you need every day that you're tired of buying product wise. Like, I made an astringent. Why? Because I was tired of burning people out. I was tired of like buying astringents with bad chemicals in it. Like, I'm like, yo, if I use this, all the dudes in the shop would use this that I work with, I bet you there's a market for this. I made my stuff. Same thing with the beard oil. I have a lot of customers with beards. Like, I had a beard, like, I shaved it off because it was just, it's a lot of work maintaining it. But like, anything that you feel like, oh, I use this every day and I spend a lot of money on it, think about finding out how to make it yourself. It's a damn thing. Think about, is it cost effective to make it for other people? If not, like, if you don't want to sell your product, see if it's cost effective for you to make it for yourself. It's all like, it'll be all natural, which is better for your clients, better for you. Then just like focus on that. Like, don't limit yourself. I know like a lot of barbers on like Instagram and Facebook and stuff, they're like looking into making their own like clippers and looking into making their own hair brushes. Like, don't limit yourself just cutting hair. That's what I'm saying. Just, I know I said it before, but like, yeah, just think outside the box. Guys. Eventually you get like where you want, like you'll start getting more revenue too. Like, you start getting more money. You start getting like outside of cutting hair. So let me get back to what I was doing. Let me go buy some supplies, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. seen me before. You see my boy's haircut. Hold on a second. Alright, so you seen the time lapse on the haircut. Nothing crazy. Like I was talking about before when I was in the car, like you can make your own products and generate a little, like, it's not gonna be like, oh, I make these products and now I'm like making crazy money. No, it's just extra money. So like, I'll show you a couple of them. I got this stuff here. This is my astringent that I made. Like I said, I was tired of burning my customers with alcohol, and it's like, alcohol really wasn't like, it's good for what we do, but there's better products out there, so I made one. Like I said, it helps generate that little bit of extra money for each barber if you make your own stuff. It also saves you money by not having to buy somebody else's stuff, and it's chemical free. I got this here. Probably showed you guys this in another video. My barber butter. Barber butter. Beard butter, as it says. Beard butter. But beards. Instead of telling my customers or using something else for my customers, beards, I got it available for them. They don't gotta go nowhere else. It's a one-time stop. They don't have to like, oh, what kind of beard butter do you use? Where can I get it from? Oh, you can get it online here, you can go to the store here, and then by the time they like actually get a chance to buy it, they forgot. So, one stop, that's it. I got this stuff here too, another thing for the beards. Almost like doing the same thing with the butter, like one-time stop, like they don't have to go nowhere else. So you're providing more service without having to do more work. Like, yeah, you have to make your product, but you don't have to physically do more behind the chair. Everything I'm telling you in like today is to generate more money as a barber outside the barbershop. Like, yeah, you're gonna make it in the shop, but like stuff like I know like a couple people, they don't want to do work after they leave the shop. They just want to, their day is done. But if you're trying to like elevate yourself, you should definitely look into making your own products. I know I rambled on a lot in this one, and it is what it is. Like, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. We got the usual buttons. Tell your friends about it. Like, subscribe, share, and think about what I said. I'll see you guys next time.